Hello, welcome to our college. I'm Pooja, pursuing BCom in KLE Nijalingappa Society. Today, let's explore our campus. The campus is clean and well maintained, which creates a learning environment for the students. The buildings are spacious and the classrooms are equipped with projectors, which makes the learning not only engaging but also fun. Our college also has admin block where the payments can be made very easily without even standing in the line. The office staffs are very helpful. They help us in applying for the scholarships and many more. College provides many facilities. Among them are drinking water facility, library facility, sanitization facility, free internet access, hygiene canteen and many more. Our college has two auditoriums. One is Sharda Sabhangna and the other one is Asha Kirna, where the students are highly encouraged to participate. Our college has many departments, cells and centers, and among them are Health Center, Research Center, Student Counseling, Grievance Redressal and Placement Cell, where the students are trained in such a manner that they are placed in very good companies. Our college also has sport complex which encourages the student to have physical fitness. Not only these, we play n number of games and make many prizes. They encourage the student to go to inter-college and make medals there too. And we have NCC and NSS which builds the resume of the student, which helps them to gain job opportunity. Our college not only builds our academic growth but also our personal growth. Step in to learn and step out to live. Thank you. Regards, KLE.
Hello everyone, I am Manvita, BCom student at KLE Society's Nijalingappa College, Rajajinagar, Bengaluru. I am here at our Department of Commerce. It gives me immense pleasure to tell about our department. Our department plays major role in shaping our academic journey. Our department regularly organizes seminars, workshops and competitions that helps us build confidence, improve our The faculty members are very supportive and guides us not just academically but also in our overall personality development. Overall, our Department of Commerce is a place where we don't just study but grow into confident and capable individuals. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Tanvi, pursuing BCom in KLE Nijalingappa Society, Rajajinagar. The BCom program in our college mainly focuses on interactive and practical learning methods to develop students' knowledge and skills. Interactive teaching methods like lecturers combined with discussion, presentation and case studies. Students actively participate in group discussion on business topics and clarify their doubts on spot. Regular assignments, mini projects and research-based activities help students apply theoretical knowledge to real-world business situations. The supportive learning environment, quality education and overall development at KLE Nijalingappa College created a positive and enriching opportunities for students, making it a great choice to begin their journey with. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nagashri. I am BCom student of KLE Society, Nijalingappa College, Rajajinagar, Bengaluru. Today we are in our library. Our library is a perfect place for commerce students to learn, focus and grow. Our library is equipped with 1 lakh books including the access of journal, e-book, digital resource which is very helpful for commerce students like me. Availability of Wi-Fi, computer access and online catalog system makes learning more convenient and advanced. Overall, our college library is not just a place to study but a place where we build knowledge, improve focus and prepare for our future.
Hi everyone, I am Prithvika, a BCom student at KLE Nijalingappa College, Rajajinagar. Come, let us explore our sports complex. The Department of Sports taught me that losing a match isn't a failure. It's a spotting report for the next training. The discipline I developed during the 6 a.m. of practice has completely transformed how I approach my academic deadlines. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shambhavi, pursuing BCom in KLE Nijalingappa College. Today I'm going to speak about sports and how my college supports me. I'm proud to say that my college KLE Nijalingappa strongly encourages students to participate in sports. and I represented our college at national level, and also I secured gold in boxing, wrestling and judo at state level.
Sports are not just a game, it is an important part of our life. I feel lucky to be a part of KLE Nijalingappa College that supports both education and sports. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Bharatiya, pursuing BCom in KLE Nijalingappa Society, Rajajinagar. Our campus regularly engages many events like quiz, business seminars and many other workshops.
These events mainly focuses on the participation, building the knowledge, boosting the confidence and upholding the skills of the students. The ultimate objective of the competition is not just about appreciating the winners, but it's also about recognizing those students who have stepped out of their comfort zone. To end with, auditorium is not just a physical structure, it's about a center of learning and expression, empowering the ideas and embracing the talents. Do join our community. Thank you. Regards, KLE.
Hello everyone, I'm Bharatiya, pursuing BCom